Welcome to video 106 in series 3, and now we'll finish what we started. Okay, so let's very quickly get into this, start writing in these methods. So for deduct ammo, very simple, current ammo minus minus. When is deduct ammo called? Simply when the player presses their left mouse button, then the event player input is called, and of course, as you saw, this deduct ammo is subscribed to that event, and hence the ammo will be deducted. And we must also do a UI ammo update request to make sure that our UI is updated. Okay, so next is this method, try to reload. This will commence the reloading animation and the process itself. So the animation will actually call the onReloadComplete, and that's where the actual reload completion, ammo being assigned and calculated, happens there. But this is to start it off. So what do? We check, what kind of ammunition it is by going to the ammo box. And of course, why do we do that? We do that to just check that there's enough ammo being carried in the first place to carry out a reload action. That's why it's called try to reload. For int, let me move this a bit down, sorry. For int I is equal to 0, I less than ammo box dot types of ammunition dot count I plus plus. If ammo box dot types of ammunition index I dot ammo name is the same as this gun's ammo name, that means we've found the correct entry in the ammo box. And we need to check a couple of things. So first of all, if ammo box dot types of ammunition index I dot ammo current carried, so the amount of ammo being carried in the ammo box, is greater than 0, so there's actually something there, and current ammo is not equal to clip size. So why would we be reloading if the ammo being in the clip is at full? That doesn't make sense. So of course you don't try and reload when your gun is full, so nothing would happen. And also gunmaster dot is reloading, so it should not be reloading rather, so not and not gunmaster dot is reloading. So you don't try and reload if you're currently trying to reload or reloading. So gunmaster dot is reloading is equal to true, and gunmaster dot is gun loaded is equal to false. So now the gun can no longer fire while it is in this condition. If my animator is not equal to null, then my animator dot set trigger, and the name of that, we wrote that earlier if you can remember, reload in the animator itself, else start coroutine reload without animation, because that means that there's been none created, and we'll just reload anyway. Just take some time and then it'll just happen, just in case there is no actual animation for this type of weapon. Okay, now check ammo status. This is a bit of logic here, very simple. If current ammo is less than or equal to 0, shouldn't be possible to get less than 0, but anyway, doesn't hurt to check. Then current ammo, just set it to 0 in case it somehow went below, and gunmaster.isGun loaded is equal to false. By doing this, of course, as you know now, it cannot fire. Else if current ammo is greater than 0, then make sure to keep the gunmaster.isGun loaded set to true, so it can continue to fire. That's simple, nice and simple. And I probably should have shown where it's called. So check ammo status. There we go. When the gun is fired, then of course check ammo status. Well, that seems pretty logical. Okay, nice. Okay, let me close that. If somehow current ammo is greater than clip size, so if it was set incorrectly in the inspector, so you set the current ammo more than the clip size in the inspector, then current ammo is equal to clip size. That's why it's just a sanity check. Okay, so for the next one, we're going to go through the ammo box. So for int I is equal to 0, I less than ammo box. The types of ammunition dot count I plus plus. Once again, just find the entry inside of it. If ammo box dot types of ammunition I dot ammo name is equal to ammo name, then we've found our entry. And what I'll do here is to do gunmaster.call event ammo changed. Now another script is going to subscribe to the event ammo changed, and will use the information supplied, which is the current ammo and the carried ammo, to update the UI. So we'll write that script just a bit later. Okay, so current ammo, supply this piece of information. Next piece of information is ammo box types of ammunition I dot current carried ammo. So that's probably I'm just thinking about it. This is actually a poor name on my side. I should have just called it ammo carried, really. Okay, that's it. So that will work. And also, once I do that, why don't I just break out of it as well? And I probably didn't do that up above as well. No, I didn't. So let's just be careful. Where is what inside of here? So if it finds that, then all this works out. Okay, and then this is inside. So that's there. I just have to be really careful that I don't try and put a break command too early. I don't think I have. If the system doesn't work, well, it's something to check then. Alright. For reset gun reloading, then in that case we need to say gunmaster.isReloading is equal to false. Check ammo status and UI ammo update request. Okay, so now onto the very last method, and what we're going to do is to attempt to add ammo to current ammo. That's what this last method is all about. And we have to go through the ammo box and pretty much assign ammo as per how much is available for a top-up. For int I is equal to 0, I less than ammo box dot types of ammunition I dot count and I plus plus. If we find the matching ammo type, so if ammo box dot types of ammunition I dot name is equal to ammo name, then I'll make up a variable int ammo top up is equal to clip size minus current ammo. So this will give me pretty much how much I need to add to the clip to make it max out again. So first case, if ammo box, no, not that, if ammo box dot types of ammunition I dot current ammo carried is greater than, so greater than or equal to the ammo top up, then in that case current ammo plus equal ammo top up. And then I have to subtract that from the ammo box because I've used it up now. So ammo box dot types of ammunition I dot ammo current carried minus equal the ammo top up. Okay. Now another condition. You know, if the ammo that's currently carried in the ammo box, it's less than the top up amount, then what I'll do is to simply just assign whatever is remaining in the ammo box to the gun, to the current ammo, and then just set the ammo box to 0. So to do that, it's not hard. So if ammo box dot types of ammunition I dot ammo current carried is less than ammo top up, and I should also check it's not equal to 0. So no point trying to assign ammunition if it's 0. So and ammo box dot types of ammunition I dot ammo current carried is not equal to 0. Then in that case, current ammo plus equal ammo box dot types of ammunition I dot ammo current carried. So we're assigning the whole lot, whatever's left, to the clip, to the current ammo, and then set that ammo box dot types of ammunition I dot ammo current carried to 0. Okay, so that empties it out. I should probably put here an else if rather than an if. Okay, and after completing all this operation, break. So jump out of the for loop. Okay, I believe that's it actually. I think I've got the ammo script done. I better go to the animation now and set that. So it's called on reload complete. So let's jump over to Unity. Looks like no errors. Let's go to the assault rifle. Attach the script on. We'll come back in a moment, set up the stuff. Let's go to the animator. Oh, sorry, the animation. And select that. And just click about the place if it's grayed out. Yeah, just click on all the stuff, come back. It's fudgy. Anyway, coming back here, and double click that. And look for on reload complete. And now our animation has got both of its events, and it's going to work fine. Okay, so now we need to set up the gun itself. So I'll just put here clip size, say current ammo, starting, whatever the starting ammo is 20 starting ammo, reload time like 3 seconds, and an ammo name. So that reload time would get used if there's no animation, but instead, since there is one, the animation will drive how long it takes. So it's going to take just over 2 seconds, probably about 2.5, factoring in everything, somewhere like that. Now the ammo name is assault rifle. So how about I just go to the ammo box and just copy the name from there. In fact, currently I only have pistol here, so that means I need to make a new one. Okay, so I'll just make another one here. I'll call this assault rifle, like that. Or why don't I just leave the space? It really doesn't matter. There we go. That's better. What's the maximum? I just give it a random number like 500. Give something distinct like 70 is the amount currently carried. Okay, now take this over to the assault rifle and paste that in. Now we've got our ammunition name. Okay, now it isn't going to work 100%. When we throw the gun away while reloading, it'll be stuck in reloading. So you can watch these two parameters here. And while I'm at it, go to the sphere, change the ammo type to assault rifle. So now we'll pick up assault rifle ammunition. You can actually add another of these scripts. You can copy it and or drag another one on, and you can have as many as you want for each of the different weapons, and they'll all get loaded into your player's ammo box. I might show that a long time later, but anyway, there's nothing more to it, but that's it. But anyway, so here's the assault rifle. So what I do want to see is that this gets added to the player's ammo box. And, well, we won't see it. Next video we'll see the UI update. We've got to write a script to do that. Anyhow, we'll be able to see the numbers here in the inspector. So first of all, go to the assault rifle, hit play. All is well. I should be able to reload. Yes, I can reload. You can see that the current ammo is now 30. Okay, so going to the player, the ammo, the currently carried ammo, dropped from 70 to 60. So it successfully loaded 10 bullets. So that's pretty good. So let's continue. I can't reload unless I shoot. So there's a problem. Let's have a look at this. So what's happening is that the gun is not resetting after I reload, and for good reason. It means I've forgotten to write a line of code in the on reload complete method. So yeah, I'm not resetting the gun anywhere, and I must do that, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so in this method, on reload complete, after everything is done, I will say reset gun reloading. And even if no ammo is available, or whatever the case may be, somehow it slipped up, this will still capture the method in here, will still stop the gun from being active if it doesn't have any ammunition. As you can see here, like this will capture any kind of funny cases that may somehow happen, which probably will never happen. So this will reset the gun, you know, once you finish reloading, it'll be reset, and you can start shooting again. So let's go back and redo that. Okay, hit play. Let's just watch the ammunition. Current is 20. And you can watch as well, is gun loaded and is reloading booleans. So it's now is reloading, it's no longer loaded. Okay, now it's loaded again. There you go, see, I can shoot. I can reload again. And there we go, perfect. Shoot again. Reload. No problems. Now let's have a look at the player. How much ammunition is left? 40 ammunition. If I walk into the sphere, there we go, it goes to 90. I've picked up a lot more ammunition. How about I just spray a heap amount? Oh, how about I just go all the way to empty? Yeah, why don't I do that? This is part testing. Just fire, 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 fire. Poof, automatic reload. Excellent. Perfect. And the ammo box should have dropped to 60. It does. Perfect. Now there is a problem. If you throw the gun while you are reloading, so watch the booleans. It's currently is gun loaded because it's an active gun. It can be. Now reloading, throw it. Bang. Now we've got a problem. You go and pick it up. Well, you can't reload it. So okay, I'm wrong. You can shoot. You can shoot. It says gun is loaded. Now you can no longer. And you can't reload it either because it still thinks it's reloading. So that's a problem. Can't reload it, now I can't shoot as well. Well, that's where we'll get to that. We'll have another script for actually resetting that, so that when we're picking it up, or when we're throwing it while reloading, there's no issue whatsoever. It's a simple matter to add, it's a simple thing to do, and we'll get to that. Enough for this video, it's way long enough. Anyway, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.